So 2025 is turning out to be one of the most unpredictable yet exciting years in crypto history. With Bitcoin having halved, Ethereum evolving faster than ever, and altcoins heating up again, the big question is, what crypto should you be investing in right now? Stay with me, because today I'll break down the top picks that could explode next, based on real data, market momentum, and future potential. Let's start with the giants, Bitcoin and Ethereum. While they're not 100x moonshots, they are the bedrock of any crypto portfolio. Bitcoin, post-halving, historically shows strong growth in the following 12 to 18 months. Right now, with institutional money from ETFs flooding in, Bitcoin is still a solid buy, especially on dips. Ethereum, on the other hand, is becoming the backbone of Web3, with Layer 2 scaling and real-world tokenization pushing its value far beyond just being digital silver. If you want stability with solid upside, these two remain essential. Now let's talk about Solana, the Ethereum killer that's back from the dead. After surviving the FTX fallout, Solana has shown insane resilience. It's fast, cheap, and developers are flocking back, with meme coins, DeFi apps, and even retail payments gaining traction on Solana. It's not just hype, it's momentum. If Ethereum is like the iPhone, Solana is like a powerful Android, open, fast, and flexible. Sold under $200, still feels undervalued in the long term. Layer 2s are where the innovation is exploding. Arbitrum is leading the pack with the highest total value locked and major protocols migrating to it. Meanwhile, Coinbase's base is bringing in the next 10 million users thanks to its ease of use and mainstream-friendly apps. These platforms aren't just cheaper versions of Ethereum. They're building their own ecosystems. ARB and base tokens could become highly valuable assets in the next bull run, especially as Ethereum scales further. AI is dominating headlines, but few realize the intersection of AI and crypto is a sleeping giant. Projects like Fetch.ai, Ocean Protocol, and SingularityNet are developing the infrastructure for decentralized AI networks. As the world demands smarter, more secure AI, these tokens could explode in value. Keep an eye on FET, AGX, and Ocean. It's still early, but this sector could create the next batch of 50 times altcoins. Next up, DePIN. Decentralized physical infrastructure is the bridge between the blockchain and the real world. Helium is decentralizing wireless networks. Render is decentralizing GPU power. These aren't just ideas, they're already in use. With the demand for real-world utility in crypto rising, these tokens like HNT and RNDR are positioned to be some of the biggest winners of the next wave. Now, if you're looking for 50 to 100 times gains, you have to play in the risk zone, microcaps and meme coins. But be smart. Look for tokens with actual narratives behind them. Meme coins on Solana are hot, but only a few will survive. Use tools like Dex Screener and Bird Eye to track volume and liquidity. Look for real communities, not just hype. One good microcap can make your year, but never invest what you can't afford to lose. So, how should you invest right now? Diversify, 40% in BTC and ETH for stability, 30% in major altcoins like Sol, RB and Fetch, and 30% in higher risk plays. And timing is everything. Don't FOMO into green candles. Instead, scale in during red days. Follow the fear and greed index. Monitor volume and be patient. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Crypto is evolving fast, and the next bull run may already be knocking. What you do right now, what you buy, what you hold, could define your financial future in the next 12 months. So research deeply, stay updated, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more altcoin insights, and comment below. What are you investing in right now?